Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailer tow group, dual pane panoramic sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.